Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wayne X TV. I have a question for you guys. Do you delete some of your videos because you think you can no longer use those videos? Especially those videos that we cut because there was a mistake. Well, I have a tip for you guys. Do not delete those videos and still use it as a bloopers. You can still make a presentation for that video. All we have to do is explore the Kinemaster, clip graphics and effects. I have here a short presentation just for you, and be sure to watch it until the end. And by the way guys, if you're still new to my channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright?
Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, at the right time, yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you, moment, and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. Call me all night, right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
Wayne X TV.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Wayne.
I know you feel like you want me,
Ito sa inyo ngayon
and I
kung
guess
paano
in a way you
ang
do.
subscribers count natin gamit lang ang ating cellphone. Okay, so let's go.
Holding my breath, unraveling emotions.
Okay guys, so
I need
welcome
some
back
space
my
to
channel.
think
This
this
is Wayne X
through.
TV. Ituturo
Call
ko sa
me
inyo
all
ang
night long.
subscribers count
Try to
natin.
give you hints and a heart to
Simulan na natin.
the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Wayne X TV.
Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
Tara, simulan na natin.
If I'm you.